Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. Today I am going to make Kashmiri Dum Aloo. That's a mild spicy potato gravy that I will be preparing with the use of yogurt. And it is a very popular dish, especially in the northern part of India. And it is served as a main course recipe with rice, roti and naan. I hope you guys will like it. So let's check out the ingredients for that. These are the ingredients for making dum aloo. Here we are taking some boiled peeled potatoes. I have taken around 12 to 13 potatoes and 3/4 cup of chopped onion, 1 cup of chopped tomato, 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, half cup of yogurt that I have whisked, 2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1.5 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander powder. Here I am taking half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 2 small cinnamon sticks, 2 cardamom and 3 long, and also I am taking around 10 cashews and 1.5 teaspoon of kasuri methi, and I am taking coriander that I have chopped and salt and also oil for cooking. Let's start the preparation. So first we'll take these boiled potatoes and we'll prick it with the fork, जिससे कि जो हम मसाले यूज़ करेंगे वो पोटैटो में अंदर तक चले जाएं. Now in a pan we'll add some oil. And in that we'll add turmeric and Kashmiri red chili powder, and add these boiled potatoes and just stir it. Keep the flame on medium. We need to shallow fry these potatoes for approximate 3 to 4 minutes. Also add some salt in this. And fry it for 3 to 4 minutes. Yeah. As you can see, the potatoes are fried now, so we'll take them out in a bowl and keep them aside. Now in another pan we'll add some oil and we'll add the long, elaichi and dalchini in this, and we'll just fry it for a few seconds. Now we'll add the chopped onion and just stir it. You can adjust the flame accordingly with you. Also add the ginger garlic paste. Add the cashew, fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. we'll add the chopped tomatoes in this and again fry it for at least 2 to 3 minutes. And once the mixture is fried, then we need to just make the puree of this, the smooth puree. So the mixture is fried now, so we'll let it cool down और जैसे ही ठंडा होता है then we'll just make the puree of this mixture. Our puree is ready now. So now in the same pan we'll add some oil. And once the oil is hot, we'll add cumin seed. Now we'll add cumin seed in this. Once the cumin seeds start crackling, we'll add turmeric to this and Kashmiri red chili powder. And just mix it. And now add the paste that we have prepared. And mix it properly. In the next step, we are going to add yogurt into this. So just make sure before adding yogurt, you have set the flame to low. Otherwise, yogurt फट सकता है. Now we'll add the yogurt and mix it. Just mix it. Now turn on the flame to medium and add cumin powder. And coriander powder to this. And just mix it. So now we need to fry this mixture for 3 to 4 minutes. So you can just cover it with the lid so that you will get the good aroma of the spices. Now in this mixture you can add the water accordingly. If you want thick gravy, you can add less water. If you want thin gravy, तो आप ज़्यादा पानी भी ऐड कर सकते हैं. Now in this mixture we will add salt. Keep in mind that we have already added some salt at the time of frying the potatoes, so just add salt accordingly and then add garam garam masala, mix it. And now add kasuri methi. Mix it and cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add fried potatoes now. And mix it. Now cover it and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes and keep the flame on medium. You can see now it is ready, so just add the chopped coriander over it. Our dum aloo is ready now. You can eat it with puri, naan. It goes well with both. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more recipes and let us know your views in the comment section.